you're doing okay in these really crazy times. My name is Amy Smith. I'm a full-time voice actor based over in Australia. I voice in video games like Freya in Mobile Legends.
I am a daughter of Northern Vale. I swear to protect it till my last breath. Stand firm and hold your ground. Never forget your love for the land. My ancestors are watching from Valhalla. I won't let them down. Follow my lead and march onward. Fallen warriors, let me guide you home. People of Northern Vale may be defeated, but never conquered. We never claim to be undefeated, but unbreakable. Northern Vale, I'm coming home. I respect your choice, but I will stop you. Spirits of Northern Vale, guide me! If you are the most honorable warrior of this land, then prove it. I don't need your adoration, but your focus on the battle. No one shall harm the peace of Northern Vale, not even an octopus! Your crew will soon be mourning your death on the ship. For justice! Stand your ground! Thanks so much for watching, guys!
What's up, everyone? It's your girl. Hello,
I'm Christina V.
Hi, and welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed! First blood! An enemy has been slain! Double kill! You have slain an enemy! Killing spree! Double kill! Unstoppable! Monster kill! Godlike! An ally has slain the turtle! An ally has been slain! Legendary! Double kill!
Father, listen here, Paul! We canine people have always worked in the shadows for the Lopo Bia family. Now I'm gonna make you pay. This is me in my lovely homemade studio.
I do what I want to do. Nah. Your strategies are pitiful. The abyss is home to me. Let me take you to another world. I will do anything for the abyss. Anything! Poor you. Why don't you just surrender? Who would recognize someone as weak as you? Should have let Famas teach you how to fight. Your life shall be shattered in an instant! Am I a human? Or an orc?
It's so much fun being a voice actor.
3,000 worlds, and not a single worthy foe. 3,000 worlds, and not a single worthy foe. These blades are my teeth, and I'm all bite and no bark. With invincibility comes solitude. Tear them to shreds! One defeat means nothing. Feel my wrath!
My mission is to protect lives. Protect the fairy forests. Protect my people. You shall fear me. Charge forward and fear nothing. Outsider! Now and tremble. Is there any blood left in me?
I am the power of light incarnate. Uranus, let us commence. It's good to see you, Rafaela. Where I go, the dawn follows. Demon, there's nowhere for you to run. Justice never dies.
Grovel before your king, human. Sana Koreana! Jika! My fists are unflinching! I always fulfill my contracts. Abandon hope, all ye who enter here. The labyrinth shall never fall. You do not belong here. You have returned, Minotaur. I'm not lost. Time to die! What does my poison taste like? Your death doesn't concern me. I'll devour the light, reborn in shadow. Tremble! Pain is my greatest gift to you. Experience the horror of death. Never beg for your life. Have a taste of my most sinister magic. I possess the most powerful magic. To become my slave is your greatest glory. No, death is not my end. Some of the work I've done with Mobile Legends, because I haven't just voiced Martis, I've voiced a couple of other characters, and been in a couple of other things for Mobile Legends. Most people here will know me as Martis. So, 3,000 worlds, and not a single worthy foe. But I also voiced Helkurt, I voiced Kaya, I voiced Aldo, I voiced Hylos and Zasks. Those are the playable characters you can be that I voice.
Hi guys, this is Connor here from CIS.
You all at once. Move like wind, be steady like rock. Channel your energy and master your enemy. There is no swordsmanship I can't master. I need a worthy opponent. Why are my swords broken?
I am reborn. No hint of fear. Killing without a trace. Nothing can stop me. Full throttle. Don't get in my way. This mech body gives me limitless power. I think I need to go on a killing spree.
There's no time to chit-chat. Mystic magic is so wonderful. Imagination is the driving force of the energy. I'm not a monster. I'm a demon. Open your mind. Now I can take a rest. Bear my wrath!
This world shall be mine. The root of all evil lies within. Enough of your nonsense. You, nothing but mere maggots. This place reeks of weakness. Tremble before me. Face your judgment. Maggots. You won't be so lucky next time.
Test Alpha is online. Time to upgrade the system. Wherever I go, Beta follows. May the Force be with you. We are not weapons. We are also humans. Force is everywhere. Sorry, I gotta hurt you.
What's your name, boy?
Ignorant humans! The hellfire will burn you into ashes. Impossible. All shall perish by my sword. Justice is the last refuge of the weakness. Become one with the sword. Power means eternity. Nothing is worthy without power. Fight till death. Immortality or death.
Well, it's my job to protect Honey Bear. No one can hurt my Honey Bear. Sit tight, Honey Bear. Here we go. I'll be all bad guys like Bear. Honey Bear.
My name is Belleric. Until my next awakening, I hate conflict. Come to my side. I love these lands. Damned humans. Leave this place. Pointless conflicts lead to pointless destruction. Belleric is not afraid of fire.
Despair is punishment for the undead. I should be forsaken. Despair is darker than death. My oath means everything to me. Kill me. Finally, I am free. Finally.
The abyss is my domain. I walk the scorched earth. Do not resist the abyss. Let God Ulve Parathane. The abyss will resurrect me once more. Abyss. Abyss. 10 years of imprisonment. Who stole the blueprints passed down by 1,000 generations? Revenge has consumed me. History has long forgotten me. How can I go back? The Empire can burn! The Empire, it deserves death.
The perfect combination of might and magic. Take a guess at how many swords I have. No need to be so jealous. I was born for this. Just try to keep up with me. Break the limits! Magic lies in the mind, but my blade follows my heart. My sword just wasn't fast enough.
Sacrifice everything for victory? Gladly. Saber. You're all unforgivable.
Many thanks.
To me, fun is all that matters. To me, fun is all that matters. Stop. I want to take 5. My darts spare no one. Nobody seems to know how nice I am. Ling, it's so hard to see your smile. Basha, I didn't paint that turtle on your face. Why does no one understand Black Dragon? You're so good at telling lame jokes,